First Lady Dr. Jill Biden just wrapped up the first day of her trip here to San Diego. Since arriving in America's finest city this afternoon, the First Lady has been advocating for the Biden administration's cancer initiatives and military families. Thank you so much for joining us. I am Wale Aliyu.
And I'm Kimberly Hunt. Here is where it all happened today at Naval Base Point Loma. First Lady Jill Biden just left the naval base just a couple of minutes ago, and she was here. She was speaking with the family members, and she also then stood at a table and served the desserts, and all of the different family and crew members were able to swing by and give their thoughts, ask their questions, and she said that is why she was here today. She was here because the military members are so important to the administration, because as she acknowledged, it is a volunteer crew, and she said, if we don't know what you need, we don't know how to help you. Now, this evening was all hosted by the Armed Services YMCA, and there you see that there's Jill Biden, and she was serving, taking pictures with the different family members that were all here. And the family members were able to get a little bit of time, each one. Let's hear from them.
And, you know, I actually feel bad. I mean, giving a speech with all these kids here, how do they get so quiet? My gosh, you know, I'm a teacher, and, you know, my grown-up students aren't this quiet. But anyway, I want to thank the leadership of the USS Gibberts for this warm reception. And just minutes ago,
yes, the Armed Services YMCA put on quite an event, and the executive director, Tim Nye, joining us right now. Thank you, Tim. Stephanie, we just have to ask, from your perspective, how important it is that military members get a chance to be heard and acknowledged.
Well, I mean, it's the whole family that serves our country. We say that the service member enlists and the whole family serves, so it's so great to see the families acknowledged tonight, especially by our First Lady, and it was a really heartfelt presentation, and we're really honored and privileged to be a part of it.
Tell me about serving families. That's really important.
I mean, for me, my first job in the Marine Corps, this is I like to say my second best job, and now I'll say my first. We, Armed Services YMCA, together with our other nonprofits and all of San Diego, really wrap our arms around those military families through unique programs and services to help them cope with the challenges of military life.
And, you know, so many San Diegans want to be supportive of the military. What are ways they can get involved with the Armed Services YMCA?
You know, they can go to our website and learn more about our organization, about volunteering, making a small donation, and we actually have program tours on the fourth Thursday of every month, so they can come out and see us. And you can learn more on our website at asysd.org. Again, it's asysd.org.
Well, congratulations on the job you did today, and I know you did it in about 12 hours. So.
Yeah, I was going to say, as a young Marine sergeant, introducing our First Lady was quite the privilege and honor, and you know, a new thing for me and our organization as well.
It was a great event. Thank you, Tim Nye, for your time.
Thank you.
And for a great event here. And each of the family members here tonight are part of the Joining Forces initiative. ABC 10 News reporter Sierra Encina sat down with a military family who detailed their journey and how the program will impact the next generation.
Looking back on a 23-year life as a military family are Ashley and Kayla Kamak.
Our children moved along with us and changed all aspects of their life to do that.
Her high school sweetheart Michael served on submarines in the Navy. During the first 14 years of his career, their family moved 8 times.
I have changed careers 3 different times. I worked in 3 different sectors over that time, so it was healthcare, government, and then nonprofit. And I had to reinvent myself every single time I got to a new duty station.
Her daughter Kayla, now in her early 20s, switched schools every move.
The first day of school is a lot like the movies, where you stand in front of the new class. It's usually in the middle of the year, and the teacher says, "This is our new student, please be nice to her."
But she says she wouldn't change a thing.
The parents did a really great job at making us feel like it was our normal.
During the early part of their time in the military, there weren't as many programs as there are now to help families like theirs. One of those programs is Dr. Jill Biden's Joining Forces. It connects spouses with resources to continue their careers at their family's next duty station, offers support to their children in school, and helps with their health.
Seeing that change happen, see our voices being heard, I know that it's not just my generation as I come into being a veteran spouse, it's the ones that were before me.
Part of the program is military education. So it helps you transfer your credits, it helps you transfer whatever special needs you might need from school to school. How did that help you?
So I never felt like I was going to be held back, that I was going to lose out on credits or lose out on opportunity because I was moving in the middle of the year.
Sierra Encinas, ABC 10 News.
Before coming here, Dr. Biden paid a visit to the Logan Heights Family Health Center, and there she talked about improving access to cancer screenings in underserved communities. ABC 10 News anchor Nia Watson is live from the clinic with the First Lady's message about the White House's cancer initiative. Nia?
Yeah, Kimberly, the goal of the White House's Cancer Moonshot Initiative is to reduce cancer-related deaths, and this has a lot to do with improving access to cancer screenings as well as high-quality cancer care for anyone, no matter where they live. That was the message from First Lady Dr. Jill Biden today as she spoke with doctors and families here, as well as families who've lost loved ones to cancer. Now, last year, the Family Health Centers of San Diego received federal funding from the Cancer Moonshot program to better serve cancer patients and their loved ones. Doctors spoke about providing families with patient navigators who help walk people through the cancer screening process and treatment. The center is also working with UCSD to research disparities in cancer screening access, which Dr. Jill Biden says is also important because early detection is crucial to saving lives.
A lot of cancers are curable, and people don't need to be scared you're always scared when you hear the word cancer, but they don't need to be afraid like people were maybe 10 years ago, because now things have advanced so far, and it's because we have all this evidence-based research.
Biden also strongly encourages people to get screened, saying a lot of people have either delayed or put off screening due to the pandemic. Live in Logan Heights, Nia Watson, ABC 10 News.
All part of the administration's Moonshot program. The other program, of course, is the one that they were laying out here tonight, the Joining Forces program that helps our military families. And from Naval Base Point Loma, Kimberly Hunt, back to you, Wale.
Thank you so much.